In this video, I'll guide you through how to open a Google Colab notebook directly from Google Drive. If you've got a Jupyter notebook file saved in your Drive and you're not quite sure how to launch it in Colab, don't worry. We'll go through it slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, make sure you're signed in to your Google account because both Google Drive and Google Colab rely on that. Once you're signed in, go ahead and open Google Drive in your browser. You can do this either by searching for Google Drive or by going through the app launcher in the top right corner of most Google pages and selecting Drive from there. After a moment, you should see your usual folder structure and files. Next, we want to locate the notebook file you want to open. Google Colab works with files that end in .ipynb, which stands for IPython Notebook. In Drive, this might be in your main My Drive area, or inside a folder someone shared with you, or a folder you created yourself. Take a moment to navigate to that location, just as you would when looking for any other document or file. Once you find the notebook file, hover your mouse over it and right-click. If you're on a trackpad, this might mean using a two-finger click or holding down a special key while you click, depending on your device settings. The key idea is to open the context menu for that file, which is the menu that gives you more options than just opening it with the default app. When that menu appears, look for the option labeled Open With. You'll usually see it near the top of the list. Hover over or click on Open With, and a secondary list will appear showing different apps that can open this type of file. This is where we tell Drive that we want to use Google Colab for this notebook. From the Open With options, select Google Colab. If you don't see it immediately, it may be under a Connect More Apps option, but in most cases it should appear once you've used it at least once. Go ahead and click on Google Colab. Your browser will open a new tab, and you'll see Colab start to load your notebook. Give it a few seconds to finish loading, especially if your notebook is large or contains heavy code. Once it's open, you'll see your code cells, text cells, and outputs laid out, just like a typical Jupyter notebook, but now running inside the Colab environment. From here, you can run cells, edit your code, add new cells, and take advantage of Colab's features like free access to GPUs and easy integration with other Google services. As you make changes, Google Colab will save them back to the original file in your Google Drive, so you don't have to keep downloading and re-uploading your work. Just remember that you're working on the same file you opened, and your updates are stored automatically. That's all there is to it. You opened Google Drive, found your notebook file, right-clicked it, used Open With, selected Google Colab, and now you're ready to run and edit your code in the cloud.